भाई चंद्रशेखर आजाद ने अभिनेता नेताओं का मैच खेला जिसमें चौके छक्के लगाए। मुंबई में मैच खेला गया। चंद्रशेखर आजाद ने चौके चौके छक्के लगाए। टीबी से जंग लड़ने के लिए व्यायाम जरूरी है भाई। चंद्रशेखर आजाद ने चौके छक्के लगाए
दूसरी
जरूर।
गेंदों पर यह दूसरा चौका, शानदार बल्लेबाजी चंद्रशेखर की।
14 for Nolas. That was a good shot, hiked over the mid-wicket region. No field.
बहुत अच्छा क्रिकेट खेला जा रहा है दो टीमों के बीच। नेता 11 और अभिनेता 11। 19 रन संख्या हो चुकी है 3 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद। ये फील्डिंग सजाई है ऑफ स्टंप के काफी बाहर। फिर से एक बार कट करने गए थे चंद्रशेखर।
Sunil Shetty owns a cricket team, and that's a lovely shot from Chandrasekhar. Fielder in pursuit between the mid-wicket for 4 runs.
More fitter side, get a score of about 200 at this rate, right? 20 into 7. So the two not out batsmen, starting off with Mohammad Azharuddin and Chandrasekhar to Vaibhav Dhokre. Oh, he's used the width there, he's used the width. Lucky. And it speeds away. Chandrasekhar seems to be in full cry, Jain.
Yes, I mean, he's not being, takes the bat, sort of telling Chandrasekhar, hey man, what are you doing? I'll whack you. Just in light vein.
Oh, 3 dot balls. And oh, he's gone again. No, he's not. Third last chance. Oh, that was the first for Chandrasekhar.
चंद्रशेखर ने अच्छी पारी संभाली। 28। बहुत अच्छा शॉट खेला है चंद्रशेखर ने और बेहतरीन फील्डिंग।
Well spread out field, and this time once again a lofted shot.
तो अनुकूल वातावरण है अब क्रिकेट के लिए। दो टीम्स, एक टीम है नेता 11 और दूसरी टीम है अभिनेता 11। यहाँ पर चंद्रशेखर और मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन पारी की शुरुआत करने के लिए आए हैं। अवेयरनेस क्रिकेट मैच ये पहला ओवर है और राजा गेंदबाजी के लिए तैयार है। टीबी मुक्त भारत अवेयरनेस क्रिकेट मैच, ये पहला ओवर लेकर राजा तैयार है। मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन, ये गेंद डाउन दी लेग थी और इसे ड्राइव करना चाहा था। थोड़ी धीमी गति के साथ ये गेंद की थी और ये गेंद चली गई है फाइन लेग पर। लेग बाइज का इशारा, तो अभी तक बल्ले से कोई संपर्क नहीं। अतिरिक्त रनों के साथ यहां पर रनों का कारोबार शुरू किया है टीम नेता 11 ने। एक अच्छी गेंद, बिल्कुल यहां पर टर्न हमें देखने मिल रहा है। टप्पा खाने के बाद गेंद टर्न हो रही है। अच्छी शुरुआत राजा की।
Yes, he's bowling on the middle and leg stump. I think getting some turn, and as we knew from the beginning that the pitch holds good for the seamers, but nonetheless Raja Berwani doing a good job floating the ball, and this time comes in and bowls, and once again a better looking ball this time to Chandrasekhar, who plays it once a single, but Azharuddin says nothing doing. And Rajesh, one thing of course, Azhar in his playing days was about 25, 26, maybe 22, and today he is about nearly 50 plus, so getting those cheeky singles is going to be dicey.
कट करने की कोशिश वहां पर की गई थी। सीधी गेंद, क्विकर वन, और विकेट के पीछे बहुत बेहतरीन विकेट कीपिंग सुदीप की। बहुत ही बेहतरीन शुरुआत यहां पर राजा ने की है। स्टंप को पकड़कर गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं राजा।
Yes, and you see wicketkeeper standing well wide outside the off stump. Well, they're playing to a plan, and so far it has been a good start by the Abhineta 11. They've conceded just 2 runs in 5 balls, and it's a packed outside field being set for Raja Berwani as he comes into bowl from the non-strikers end. 2 for Nolas. This time Azhar, and that's a boundary. First boundary from the bat of Azharuddin as he cuts past the third slip region for 4 runs, the first 4 of the innings.
बहुत ही खूबसूरती के साथ चिर परिचित अंदाज में यहाँ पर अजहरुद्दीन ने अपना खाता खोला है। बहुत बढ़िया शॉट खेला। गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा के बाहर। बहुत शानदार गैप ढूंढा और बिल्कुल गली और कवर के बीच में से ये गेंद निकाल दी। 4 रन मिले। अजहरुद्दीन की बेहतरीन शुरुआत।
Glimpses of Azhar's classic batting style, as we told you, plays excellently on the outside. Its cuts is really something which the spectators would love to watch, and that was the first boundary from Azhar. One over gone, 6 for no loss. Neta 11. Chandrasekhar on one. Mohammad Azharuddin. It's Sharad Kelkar who will be bowling from the non-strikers end. Will be Sharad Kelkar. Chandrasekhar on one. Mohammad Azharuddin on 4 of 2 deliveries. Neta 11 on 6 for no loss. Outside the off stump, lucky not to be called wide, as the wicketkeeper Huda does well, collects well, knocks off the bails. Just out of impulsive action, the batsman was well in his crease. No damage done. It's 6 for no loss. This time he cuts and he cuts Sharad Kelkar. He cuts and cuts straight to the fielder at point, not for any runs. So a rather sedate start by the Abhineta 11. This time he bowls and he plays him on the onside for 4 runs. And that was a good looking shot, a confident looking shot over the extra cover for 4 runs. And the first boundary from for Chandrasekhar.
बहुत खूबसूरती के साथ यहाँ पर खेला, बिल्कुल बल्ले के बीचों बीच लेकर ताकत के साथ, बहुत अच्छा कनेक्शन और शानदार यहाँ पर कवर ड्राइव। गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा के बाहर। 4 रन मिले तो दोनों बल्लेबाजों ने चित परिचित अंदाज में खेलना शुरू किया है। सबसे पहले जो सी का कॉन्फिडेंस है, आत्मविश्वास है, वो नजर आ रहा है दोनों बल्लेबाजों में। और इस वक्त ये है शानदार ऑन ड्राइव। गेंद जाएगी सीमा रेखा के बाहर। लगातार दूसरी गेंदों पर ये दूसरा चौका। शानदार बल्लेबाजी चंद्रशेखर की।
Yes, what we expected Mohammad Azharuddin to do, Chandrasekhar is doing now. He's on 9 of 8 balls, 14 for no loss. That was a good shot, hiked over the mid-wicket region. No fielder there, straight for 4 runs. Sharad Kelkar it is once again, and this time rather ambitious looking shot from Chandrasekhar. Will get a single as the ball goes to the fielder at mid-wicket region, and the scores 14-15 it is for no loss. We are into the second over, 1.5 overs gone. Neta 11, 15 for no loss. Neta 11 having won the toss, deciding to bat, and it will be Mohammad Azharuddin. It will be to face Sharad Kelkar. We have seen the spin attack being deployed from both ends, and this time Azharuddin plays it back to the bowler who fields it, does well to put his right foot to stop the ball. Not much punch in that shot. So at the end of the second over, it's 15 for no loss. Neta 11.
बहुत अच्छी शुरुआत की है चंद्रशेखर और मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन ने। 9 गेंदों का सामना किया है चंद्रशेखर ने और 10 रन बनाए हैं, और अजहरुद्दीन ने 3 गेंदों का सामना किया है, 4 रन बनाए हैं। इस ओवर में 2 चौके आए थे। अपने हाथों को खोलना शुरू किया है चंद्रशेखर ने। 15 रन बनाए हैं टीम ने। नेता 11 बनाम अभिनेता 11 के बीच ये मैच आप सभी के सामने संपन्न हो रहा है। टॉस जीत लिया था नेता 11 टीम के कप्तान अनुराग ठाकुर ने, और पहले बल्लेबाजी करने का फैसला किया, और कीर्तिमान बल्लेबाज मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन मैदान पर पारी की शुरुआत करने के लिए आए। 2 ओवर की समाप्ति हो चुकी है, स्कोर हो चुका है 15, और फिर से एक बार गेंदबाजी के लिए आए हैं राजा।
Lovely shot, and that's a catch actually dropped. He's dropped by the fielder at long arm. That was not able to hold on. Batsman get a single. That was a chance for Abhineta 11. What seemed to be a good shot, but the player trying his best, eluding his right hand as he falls to the ground, spills the catch, and that's a life for Chandrasekhar. Neta 11, 16. That was a good try, no doubt, by the player.
निश्चित तौर से परिणाम कुछ भी हो, प्रयास बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए, तो वो प्रयास बेहतरीन किया गया था। 16 रन हो चुके हैं और अब तैयार है मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन। राजा की ये गेंद और इसे हल्के हाथों से निकाल दिया है कवर की दिशा पर। सुनील शेट्टी वहां पर मौजूद है और इस बीच पूरा समय था, 1 रन पूरा किया है। तो शांत और संयमी शुरुआत की है मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन ने। एक और चंद्रशेखर है जो कि खुलकर खेल रहे हैं।
But Rajesh, here we have to accept the fact that the players are about 40-45 plus, and for the fielder to have dived and stretched his right hand trying to catch that ball itself was a good attempt. Nonetheless, I mean, he spilled it. You can't say virtually it's a drop catch, but it was good effort, good attempt on the part of the fielder. But the fact remains that no damage done. Neta 11 on 17 without loss. We are into the 3rd over.
नेता, क्या नहीं करना पड़ता है नेता को और अभिनेता को, हम निश्चित तौर से इस पर भी चर्चा करेंगे। चलते हैं, यहाँ पर तैयार हो चुके हैं राजा भेरवानी अपनी अगली गेंद लेकर, और उनकी ये गेंद अंदर आई थी, कट करना चाहते थे, भाग्य ने साथ दिया, बाल बचे, ये कहना ज्यादा मुफीद होगा। समझ नहीं पाए, पहले तो कट करने गए, फिर बैकफुट पर आए। बहुत अच्छी गेंदबाजी राजा भेरवानी की।
Spun a yard. That was a very good ball, and that is why we are seeing wicketkeeper, Sika standing so well up and standing right outside the off stump, and that ball really spun very, very sharply into the batsman.
लगातार ये दूसरी गेंद है। देखिए यहाँ पर चंद्रशेखर को पहले बीट किया और अब मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन है वो भी बीट हो गए। राजा बहुत बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी करते हैं। भारत के लिए हमने ऑफ स्पिनर्स देखे हैं, बहुत सारे स्पिनर्स देखे हैं। सबसे पहले हमने प्रसन्ना साहब को देखा था, फिर हरभजन सिंह बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी करते थे। इस वक्त शानदार खेल दिया है, क्षेत्ररक्षक वहां पर है, सुनील शेट्टी जाने नहीं देंगे। बिल्कुल पूरा इरादा बनाकर मैदान पर आए हैं कि हम हमारे फिजिकल फिटनेस का परिचय देंगे, शानदार फील्डिंग करेंगे। बहुत अच्छा क्रिकेट खेला जा रहा है दो टीमों के बीच। नेता 11 और अभिनेता 11। 19 रन संख्या हो चुकी है 3 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद।
Just about 6 runs and over is the run rate for Neta 11, and Sunil Shetty does well there to cut off what would have been a certain 4. Sunil Shetty, the skipper for Abhineta 11, fully charged up. And one thing, Rajesh, even the Abhineta 11 film stars and the Neta, they are physically fit. I mean, both the teams, we have seen fitness levels being very good.
विकेट कीपर है जो कि स्टंप्स के काफी सटीक है, अजहरुद्दीन बिल्कुल मुआयना करते हुए। और अब आए हैं शरद केलकर। पहला ओवर शरद ने किया है, 9 रन दिए हैं। टीबी मुक्त भारत अवेयरनेस क्रिकेट मैच। शरद केलकर अपने नए ओवर की शुरुआत करते हुए। छोटी गेंद, एलबीडब्ल्यू की अपील। नजदीकी मामला था, नजदीकी मामला था।
That was a very good ball. Actually, the umpire felt that it would be missing the leg stump, but the batsman had absolutely no clue.
काफी खुश है शरद अपनी गेंदबाजी से। गेंद टप्पा खाने के बाद जिस तरह से ड्रिफ्ट हुई और अंदर आई थी, और इस वक्त बहुत बढ़िया खेला है मिसफील्ड। अब गेंद जाएगी सीमा रेखा की ओर और वहां पर रोका, बहुत अच्छा कवर किया। तो नेता 11 और अभिनेता 11 दोनों टीम्स यहां पर क्रिकेट खेल का बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन कर रही है। स्कोर हो चुका है 21।
As we have been telling you, this match is being played for a cause, a wonderful cause, a noble cause, that is eradication of tuberculosis. And we have Sharath Kelkar here. Full toss to Azhar, and he's not going to spare it. A drive through the check striker, piercing the field for 4 runs. That was Azharuddin saying thank you very much and executing that one straight for 4.
बिल्कुल जयंत कहना चाहेंगे कि हलवा गेंद थी और जहां पर अपना जलवा पेश किया अजहरुद्दीन ने, शानदार खेल दिया, बहुत बेहतरीन। अब शुरुआत हो चुकी है अजहरुद्दीन की। देखिए बैकफुट पर जाकर निकलना चाहते हैं, नजाकत के साथ खेलना चाहते हैं। पिछली गेंद पर ताकत दिखाई थी मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन, द ग्रेट मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन, भारत के भूतपूर्व कप्तान। 1992, 1996 और 1999 वर्ल्ड कप में भारत के लिए कप्तानी कर चुके हैं। बहुत ही बढ़िया खेलते हुए यहाँ पर मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन।
Sharad Kelkar really bowling well, and both the teams have been playing very well. And what is noteworthy is that Abhineta 11 really playing well, displaying good cricketing prowess. I mean, they are not giving up, considering the fact that the experience and the stature of Mohammad Azharuddin has not disappointed, or rather, there's a good shot, but straight to the fielder. May probably get a single. Yes, Chandrasekhar does. He moves to 12. Neta 11 on 27 for no loss. End of the fourth over. So both the batsmen going hand in hand, 12-13, both of 12 balls.
चंद्रशेखर 12 रनों पर खेल रहे हैं और मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन 13 रनों पर। 4 ओवर्स समाप्त हो चुके हैं, 27 रन। ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पर बल्लेबाजों को आउट करने के लिए प्रयास किया नहीं किया गया। एक वक्त ऐसा लगा था कि मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन एलबीडब्ल्यू आउट हो जाएंगे। शरद केलकर ने बहुत अच्छी गेंदबाजी की थी।
But Rajesh, had there been a DRS, I'm sure the captain would have gone for a DRS. That was a close call.
बिल्कुल सही कहा जयंत आपने कि वहां पर डीआरएस की जरूरत थी। अगर डीआरएस लेते तो शायद, मैं कह रहा हूं कि नजदीकी मामला था, हो सकता है। पार्टनरशिप देखिए 27 रनों की हो चुकी है और ये है आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय श्री सीपी राधाकृष्णन साहब, आपके शुभ उपस्थिति में उद्घाटन समारोह संपन्न हुआ था। 4 ओवर्स यहां पर संपन्न हो चुके हैं और स्कोर हो चुका है बिना किसी नुकसान के 27।
Backward of point, fielder at point, cover, extra cover. That's the offside field for Raja Berwani. Neta 11-27 without loss. Good start, and this time he tries to hit, fishing outside the off stump, and Sika does well to collect it. He's standing away from the off stump, just about a couple of feet away from the off stump. A very rare sight in cricket. I've never seen a wicketkeeper standing so away from the wickets. Probably the bowler will be attacking the off, and this time bowls wide. Certainly it's going to be called a wide, and yes, it is a wide ball. The first extras of the innings, Rajesh, first extras.
ये पहला वाइड था, पहली मर्तबा भटकते हुए नजर आए, लेकिन उनकी गेंद में वो स्पिन हमें देखने मिली। वो देखिए ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर टप्पा पड़ने के बाद थोड़ी सी स्पिन हुई थी। टीबी मुक्त भारत के लिए यहाँ पर ये मैच खेला जा रहा है। नेता 11 बनाम अभिनेता 11, 28 रन हो चुके हैं। चंद्रशेखर 12 पर खेल रहे हैं, मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन खेल रहे हैं 13 रनों पर। और देखिए यहाँ पर एक स्लीप, एक थर्ड मैन, एक पॉइंट, एक कवर और एक लॉन्ग ऑफ, ये फील्डिंग सजाई है। ऑफ स्टंप के काफी बाहर फिर से एक बार कट करने गए थे चंद्रशेखर। विकेट कीपर काम अच्छा कर रहा है, लेकिन 2 गेंदें लगातार यहाँ पर जयंत वाइड की गई है।
They are trying to make the batsman play on the offside or lofted shot, because the offside is packed with fielders. But this time straying too wide outside the off stump, and this time the ball turns, and a good turn from the middle and leg stump, turning further away, and the batsman luckily not able to connect, or else it would have gone for a couple of runs here.
राजा, बहुत अच्छी वापसी। आपके पास अगर काबिलियत है, हुनर है, प्रतिभा है, तो इस मैदान पर आप नाच नचवा सकते हो। अच्छा वेरिएशन कर रहे हैं विकेट कीपर सुदीप, बहुत बेहतरीन विकेट कीपिंग कर रहे हैं। वाइड का इशारा किया था, लेकिन नेगेटिव गेंदबाजी की जा रही है। पहली 2 गेंदें ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर, फिर एक गेंद लेग स्टंप पर, और ये गेंद अच्छी थी। विकेट कीपिंग भी बहुत बढ़िया था। बहुत मजा आ रहा है, शानदार क्रिकेट खेला जा रहा है जयंत।
Yes, a slow and steady start, if we can say, considering the fact that Mohammad Azharuddin is there, and he's just scored 13 of 12 runs. Raja Berwani to Chandrasekhar, who plays it on the outside, straight to the fielder. Azhar wants a single. I think for quite some time he has been standing at the non-striker's end, and he gets a single. So Mohammad Azharuddin takes a single. Chandrasekhar takes a single. So both the players on 13, and before Raja Berwani comes in, Milind Wagle will come in place of Rajesh. Once again, the ball pitched on the off, turning into the right-handed batsman, middle stump, and played on the offside, straight to the fielder at extra cover for a single. Welcome, Milind.
Thank you, Jayant. What an atmosphere this is, isn't it? Under lights, we all want TB to be eradicated, which is what this entire initiative is. And oh, look at that one! Look at that one! You know, I was a bit surprised. I heard you talking to Nadeem Memon at the time of the toss, and he spoke to us even before that. And he said, if I win the toss, I'd bowl first because there's so much of bounce and movement. But it doesn't seem to have worked at all because they won the toss. They decided to bat first, and they got to 32 from 5. So at this level of the game, you divide 5 by the score out there, 7, an average of 7. Oh, look at that, look at that. I think that would have perhaps got the better of any good batsman, Jay.
Yes, very true. I mean, he's bowling really well. No doubt he's considered a couple of wides, but he's been bowling exceedingly well. So, as you rightly said, Milind, they're playing really well.
You know, the other good thing what I've seen over these last 5 overs is the seriousness. You know, this is being watched by thousands or lakhs of people all over the country. There are spectators here. It is for a noble cause, but it's also a game of cricket at the end of the day. And I think that's one of the reasons. That's one of the reasons as to why you must dish out something good as far as they're concerned. So yes, there you are. He's got a packed field on the out there. He had a square leg which was deep. They've used 2 bowlers so far. 5 overs. Jayant, 2 bowlers to use so far. A change is surely in the offing, isn't it?
Certainly, and both the bowlers have really done well. They've bowled to the field, barring a couple of balls they straight. And well, Azharuddin has been well contained so far by the Abhineta 11. As we see the change in bowling for the first time from the pavilion end. Milind, Azharuddin has been contained well by the bowlers in the first 5 overs we've seen.
Oh yes, for sure, for sure. But he's not going to keep quiet for a long time, is he? I think he just about heard you. You know, these are intuitions which I think batsmen get when they listen to the commentator saying, oh, ye to nahi maar raha hai. Okay, I'll show it to you.
Very true. And that ball actually was a gift given to Azharuddin. And we can say the Abhineta hospitality at its best because that ball, a lollipop of over-pitch delivery, which was punished and spanked over the extra cover fence for 4 runs by Mohammad Azharuddin.
Saqib is the bowler, the new bowler. The 2 bowlers used earlier on, Sharad Kelkar and Raja Bharwani. The other point about Azharuddin is, you know, he may have put on weight, but the flair, the charisma, the style, and the ability, there you are. That's the one which he played with perfection, didn't he, in his heydays?
That's his patent Azharuddin shot. A slight misfield, but lucky enough not to concede a boundary.
You know, we all know that these actors play regularly. They have the Celebrity League, and I'm told that they've just back from some Celebrity League now. The parliamentarians do not get a chance to do that. And considering that when the 2 of them are there in the center, you know, it's a pleasant sight to watch.
Yes. In fact, Sunil Shetty owns a cricket team. And that's a lovely shot from Chandrasekhar. Fielder in pursuit between the mid wicket for 4 runs. Chandrasekhar certainly not keeping quiet. Undeterred by the reputation of Mohammad Azharuddin. He's going for his shots.
Well, look at that one. Overpitched. He wanted to actually drive it into the extra cover region. It doesn't really matter. The thick, it was an intended stroke. It was an intended stroke. And he seems to be an ideal foil for Azharuddin out there.
Yes, certainly. He's taken much of the pressure of Azharuddin. And 41 for no loss. Neta 11, we are into the 6th over. That was a better looking ball. Not giving much room to the batsman. A rather wayward throw from the bowler. And as we see, the players not yet still equipped of backing up for covering the throws.
Yes, this is an expensive over. 10 runs conceded so far. Up to 42 without a wicket. We are in the 6th over in the 20 over stipulated match out here. It's a wonderful setting. I've had the privilege, Doordarshan has had the privilege of doing some international matches. The India-West Indies Women's Series many years back. We've seen a classic Ranji Trophy semi-final between. Oh, he nearly got him there. Nearly got him there. 10 years younger, he could have got him.
Yes, yes, certainly that was a chance. But as we said, we should realize that the players are all 40 plus. And for them to go for such catches, it's really going to be a tall order.
But he's tried to be there. Was shot.
That was difficult. It was shot of the fielder, shot of the bowler.
It was very, very short. Chandrasekhar. Now I think, with both of them getting their eye in, and if you look at, I think 11 runs conceded in that over, why going for that stroke? You're playing well, you're settled there, you want your side to get big runs, you know you're going to be playing against a younger side, more fitter side, get a score of about 200 at this rate, right? 20 into 7 is 140. So I would say about 100, that's right.
But the ideal score for a good contest would be around 150, 170. But as you rightly said, they have a capability of going up to 200. I mean, if they play more sensibly.
One thing is certain on the lighter side. So the two not-out batsmen, starting off with Mohammad Azharuddin and Chandrasekhar. To follow would be Anurag Singh Thakur as per the batting order given to us. Shrikant Shinde, the Member of Parliament from Mumbai, is slated to come in at number 4. I saw him batting in the nets. He looked quite severe in his batting.
At nets, we saw even the Abhineta 11 players playing. And they were playing quite well with good fundamentals, basic fundamentals.
Jayant, tomorrow morning the Massey's table will be in demand, you think so?
Yes, certainly. You are absolutely right. The way these people have, practiced for this match, it shows the commitment. They're playing for a cause, eradication of tuberculosis in the country.
The actors in particular were here at 3:30 in the afternoon. They were scheduled to come. Oh, there's Yusuf Pathan playing for the Netas 11. He's a member of parliament from West Bengal. And the place is Baharampur. Azharuddin, the other cricketer. And look at the seriousness there. Setting the field, making sure you plug the gaps. You know, it's not that you've gone there, chalo ya, fielding tum kahin bhi khade reh jao. That's not the attitude. And I think when you have seriousness of that nature, the game becomes that much more richer.
Certainly, Milind. Undoubtedly, each and every player in the Abhineta 11, there's that intense seriousness you can make out. And the other players who are not there in the playing 11, they are so much involved in the game. They are cheering their team up. Just, couple of chances which went a bigging. But as we said, age is against them, but that was good attempt from them.
Sohail Khan there, the captain for the fielding side. It's Sunil Shetty actually. We haven't seen him out here. Darshan, the next of the bowlers. I suspect that there could be a bowling change. They would have to rotate the bowlers. Oh, here comes the big man. I watched his film last night.
Yes.
I watched his film last night. Ek Din Ka Justice, that was the film. And what an actor he is. What an actor.
Anupam Kher it is who will be bowling from the non-strikers end. And we'll see Anupam Kher is a fantastic actor par excellence, but well his skills. Whether he'll be able to exhibit his skills on this ground, whether he'll be able to rattle the batsmen out there who seem to be well set.
I think he seems to be telling the fielders out there, yaar, mere liye to catch le lena. He's certainly a big actor there. I love these histrionics from these actors. It makes the evening so much more colorful. It's a Saturday evening, and I'm sure people would stay back home to watch this telecast.
Certainly, there's a carnival. There's a carnival here at the MCA, and well spread out field for Anupam Kher. And we'll have to see. And yes, this time balls to Mohammad Azharuddin, who pulls him on the onside to the long on region, gets a single.
You know, Jayant, these lollipops as we watch are the most dangerous deliveries that you can always get.
Very deceptive in nature.
So as I said, the two umpires there. This is Vaibhav Dhokre. Oh, he's used the width there. He's used the width. Lucky. And it speeds away. Chandrasekhar seems to be in full cry, Jayant.
Yes, I mean, he's not being subdued. He's going for his shots. and realizes that they have to step on the gas and accelerate to reach that target of 200, which they have to give the fielding side.
Finding the gap to perfection, valiant chase. So the two batsmen there, Azharuddin and Chandrasekhar, seem to be telling each other, "Tu aage jayega, I'll come and catch up with you."
Exactly, looks like hardly any difference between the number of balls also they faced.
5 in this over. Well, that could be a wide or should be a wide for sure. Well, there's nothing wrong. I think it's a fun game. There is seriousness. Give it to someone with a personality like Anupam Kher. Make the crowd a little more happy, because the cause is more important today. Who wins or not? There is seriousness. Who wins is not important. There is only one enemy. You have emphasized that there's only one enemy.
Yeah, that's TB, the eradication of tuberculosis, and that's the dream of the Neta 11. As Azharuddin, it will be facing Anupam Kher. Pitch right outside the leg stump, and Azhar really not wasting a moment, just playing it over the wicketkeeper for 4 runs. So that's a good particular, that is a lovely shot. Azhar moves to 25. So this over proving to be a little costly for, and once again wide outside the off stump. But Azhar plays it. Normal course, the batsman would have left it for a wide ball, but Azhar doesn't. Plays it on the outside, straight to the fielder, Raja Behrwani. This was a better looking ball, pitched on the leg and middle stump to the right-handed Mohammad Azharuddin, who plays it on the leg side to the square leg region. Gets a single, moves to 26, 22, so 55, and we are into the 7th over.
So this is surely an over which the fielding side will want to forget as quickly as possible, particularly after the even the bowler before this, Saqib, came in for 11 runs. So the game has shifted suddenly. You did mention that they had held them on a leash, and now see what's happening. First 6 of the match. Oh, what a 6 that is by Chandrasekhar. I'm sure he played a lot of cricket in his younger days.
That was a huge 6 by Chandrasekhar. Belting Anupam Kher, who actually dishes. Anupam Kher, in a gesture, humorous gesture, takes the bat, sort of telling Chandrasekhar, "Hey man, what are you doing? I'll whack you." Just in light vein.
You remember that duel between Dennis Lilly and Javed Miandad?
Yes, certainly. But this is more of a fun that these two playing, and Anupam Kher conceding, I think, too many runs in his over this time.
Well, I think what you're saying is absolutely right. These actors need to show everyone what humor is all about. We've got many celebrities who have trooped in here. You know, the other point, Jayant, I'd like to make to you is that a lot of the celebrities, Saturday evenings, shooting, partying, going around to meeting friends. This is one day they must have said, society first, nation first.
Very true. That's a great sacrifice they're doing. Behrwani 3 overs, 13 runs. Sharat Kelkar 2 overs, 17 runs. Anupam Kher quite damaging, 1 over 19 runs. That's quite a bit.
So there have been 9 dot balls in 3 overs from Raja Behrwani. This is the Bandra Kurla complex from where we are coming to you live in Mumbai. If you've never been to Mumbai, the Mahim Causeway is not very far away. The Sea Link is close by, and it's a carnival atmosphere here at the Mumbai Cricket Association's Bandra Kurla complex venue. And what a venue this is under lights.
A corporate hub, as this cricket ground is dwarfed by corporate buildings, skyscrapers virtually dwarfing this cricket ground at Bandra Kurla complex, the Mumbai Cricket Association ground. Yes, and we see a well spread out field for Sakib, it will be bowling, changing ends. Sakib will be changing ends. And Sunil Shetty is gone in, and we see Sika deputizing, looks like, for Sunil Shetty. He's not to be seen on the field.
We had Sohail Khan deputizing earlier on. So you got Sakib back, none for 11. The end change, sometimes that can do the wonders for you when you change ends.
Yes, certainly. A good crowd gathered here at the Mumbai Cricket Association grounds at Bandra Kurla Complex, Mumbai, as Sakib bowls. And that bad-looking ball, a loud shout. The bowler and the wicketkeeper quiet. And Sakib says he wants a review. That looked very close. Ball pitched on the off and middle stump. And of course, there is no DRS. That was a very, very close call, because the wicketkeeper and the bowler were certainly confident, and with conviction they appealed, but fell on deaf ears.
The run rate at 8.86 before the start of this over. So if you really go now, with the score being doubled in the last 5 or 6 overs, they should be, if these two stay there, then we should be looking at 170, 180.
Yes.
I'm going to get you in another point. Do you think, oh, what a wonderful stroke. He rose, stood tall. Azharuddin, Sandeep Patil played that stroke so well. The question is, as we watch that once again from Azharuddin, spanked it there, spanked it, and then said, yes, come along, my dear friend. Chandrasekhar, you're doing well. You think the batting captain Anurag would turn around and tell Azharuddin and Chandrasekhar, can we please get you back in the dressing room? We want the others to bat
Yes,
as well.
looks like the way they are playing, it won't be much too long before Anurag tells them, hey buddies, give others a chance. Because Azharuddin had 2 close shaves, 2 confident appeals being turned down. And had there been DRS, I'm certain both would have been taken. Of course, the decision, one doesn't know which way. But from here, it looked very close.
So Sakib Salim, he's bowled his spell well now. I did mention to you that the change of end might work for him. He's considered a single of 4, 3 dot balls. And, oh, he's gone again. No, he's not. Third last chance. Oh, that was the first for Chandrasekhar. They say lightning strikes, but this time lightning has not struck the batting side. Huge chance there. Should have been taken. He had to run a wee bit to his left. There he goes. There he goes. Doesn't cup it. Jayant.
That was a fairly easy chance, which was spilled by Sakib. End of 8 overs, 63 without loss. Neta 11. We are witnessing the match between Neta 11 and Abhineta 11 at the BKC's Mumbai Cricket Association grounds, playing for a cause. TB Mukt Bharat, eradicate tuberculosis. That's the mantra of Anurag Singh Thakur.
You know, the place where I stayed, Boiwada and Parel, the TB hospital is just about 500 meters from my house, and I didn't even realize that TB is such a dreaded disease. It's a good learning today with this initiative.
It's a bacteria, which is Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which affects the lungs, and also it affects the spine, the liver, the kidneys, and the brain. It can be cured, but if left unattended, it can be fatal.
So we are all here for this cause, and it's time for me now. We will continue to alternate in the commentary box out here. We are enjoying the fun. Jayant Lapsa continues to stay there, but joining him after getting us some wonderful snacks from the other side out here is our good friend, Inspector Monty Khopkar.
धन्यवाद मिलिंद। बहुत बेहतरीन मैच यहाँ पर संपन्न हो रहा है, और ये है अनुपम खेर जो कि गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं। और जिस तरह से जयंत आपने फिटनेस के बारे में कहा, तो अनुपम खेर भी अपने फिटनेस का बहुत अच्छा परिचय दे रहे हैं। 63 लेग स्टंप के काफी बाहर, और इसे खेलने का प्रयास किया था, एक जोरदार हिट करने का प्रयास किया था, वाइड का इशारा अब जाकर हो रहा है। तो 8 ओवर्स यहां पर समाप्त हो चुके हैं, और नेता 11 टीम की रन संख्या बिना किसी नुकसान के 65। मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन जो कि खेल रहे हैं 27 रनों पर 23 गेंदों का सामना किया है, और चंद्रशेखर ने अच्छी पारी संभाली 28। बहुत अच्छा शॉट खेला है चंद्रशेखर ने, और बेहतरीन फील्डिंग, बिल्कुल सीमा रेखा पर, वहां पर बहुत ही शानदार फील्डिंग। इतनी सुंदर फील्डिंग करने के लिए आपको बहुत ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत होती है। आगे निकल कर आए, ड्राइव किया, गेंद जाएगी सीमा रेखा के बाहर। मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन अपने बल्लेबाजी का जलवा अफरोज करते हुए बहुत ही खूबसूरती के साथ कदमों का इस्तेमाल, बेहतरीन फुटवर्क, बॉटम हैंड के साथ इस गेंद को खेल दिया था। इंतजार करते हैं गेंद का मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन और फिर जाकर अपने शॉट को बनाते हैं।
Yes, that was a very good shot. And actually, what Abhineta 11 captain is saying is that to allow Anupam K to bowl those lollipops and make the batsman commit an error of playing a lofted shot straight into the hands of the fielder. The first shot fell just little, about yards away from the fielder at deep mid wicket. Otherwise, he could have been caught. Chandrasekhar is going to face. He's on 29, 71. Well spread outfield, and this time once again a lofted shot. Whether and he's out. Chandrasekhar is out, and just as I told you, the idea is Anupam Kher picks up his first wicket. The idea is he bowls a lollipop, entices the batsman to play the shot, lofted shot, which Chandrasekhar did. Hold out to the player at the longest mid-wicket region and was caught. So the first wicket goes off Abhineta 11, and that's a good breakthrough. Good breakthrough, Rajesh.
बहुत बहुत बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी वहां पर अनुपम खेर की। गेंद धीमी की थी और इसे सीमा रेखा के बाहर भेजने का जो इरादा था चंद्रशेखर का, देखिए बहुत अच्छी एक्शन, एक सीधी गेंद और इसे बहुत बढ़िया खेला था। एलिवेशन ज्यादा दे बैठे और कोई गलती नहीं की। शानदार कैच वहां पर। काफी अच्छा प्रदर्शन करती हुई टीम नेता 11 लीडर्स बहुत अच्छा खेल खेल रहे हैं। पहले सफल गेंदबाज रहे हैं अनुपम खेर। आपके द्वारा कई सारे संदेश हमें मिले हैं। अनुपम खेर एक बेहतरीन एक्टर, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात एक बहुत बड़े बेहतरीन इंसान। अनुपम खेर इस वक्त हम सभी के बीच मौजूद है, अपने बेहतरीन क्रिकेट खेल का प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। टीवी हारेगा, देश जीतेगा। जी हाँ, सचमुच एक बहुत ही बड़ा लक्ष्य हम सभी के सामने है।
Anupam Kher must be delighted and elated having picked up that important wicket of Chandrasekhar, who was really playing well, shaping well, going gate guns and making that a major breakthrough for his side.
दर्शक भारी तादाद में हैं और कई सारे हीरोज, एक्टर्स हम सभी के बीच मौजूद हैं। हम सभी का एक ही लक्ष्य है, टीबी मुक्त भारत। अनुपम खेर की ये गेंद, ये पहली सफलता। आकाश में खेला लेकिन जमीन पर आ गई गेंद, बेहतरीन कैच और ये है आनंद। काफी खुश अपने बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस से अनुपम खेर। टीबी मुक्त भारत अवेयरनेस क्रिकेट मैच